Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 chapter 16, that is percentage, percent. Okay, we are on question number 5. Last video we had solved up to question number 4. Okay, so express as decimal fractions. Decimal fractions means you have to convert this into decimal fractions, means a number which has decimal point, a number which has point. Okay, so you have to convert it in that way. So decimal fractions means a number which has point in them. So like that you have to convert. So let us see question number 5. So 25% is 25% means 25 upon 100. Percent means 100. So 25% means 25 upon 100. So which is equal to 0.25. You know that in decimal fractions chapter we had studied that point is already here. So when you divide by 10 or power of 10, now in this case it is 100, so 1 2, number of zeros are 2, so point is here, so it will shift to left side by 2 digit and it will come here, so 0.25. Or you can say, since 2 digits, 2 zeros are there, I can skip 2 numbers from right to left, so 1 2, so here. Okay, so that way I hope you remember it. Second one, 108 upon 100. So point is exactly here, so it will shift to, it will let's skip 2, since 2 zeros are there, skip 2 digits, 1 2, so point comes here, 1.08. Third, 95 upon 100. Why we are dividing by 100? Because it is 95%, which means out of 100, 95. So 95 upon 100, point is always here, so point, so since 2 zeros, skip 1 2, so point will come here, so 0.95. okay, similarly 29.2, point is here, 29.2 upon 100, since it is percentage, so point shifts to left by 2 digits, so 1 2, so 0.292. okay, this we had already studied in decimal fraction, children, so I hope there should not be any problems related to it. Okay, and this is 4.5. so I fourth one by mistake I have left, so 4.5%, 4.5 upon 100, point is here, so it will shift to left side by 2 digits, so 1 and 2. Now see, I have skipped, if you talk in language of skipping, I have skipped this, but one more I have to skip na. So but here nothing is there, so I will put 0 here, so that also I will skip. So now what will be here? 0.045. so 0.045. okay, now question number 6. Express each of the following numbers as percent. Now these are the numbers and we have to convert them in percent. Very easy, just one thing you have to do is multiply it by 100%. You can see 7 I have taken here, multiplied by 100%, 700%. 2 multiplied by 100%, 200%. 19.5 multiplied by 100%, 1950%. If you multiply this with this, now since it is multiplication, point will shift towards right by 2 digits, so 1 2, so 1 and 2, second is not here, digit is not there, so put 0, so 1950. Similarly here, 5.37 multiplied by 100, 1 2 towards right, since it is multiplied by 100, point will shift to right side. In last question it was divide by 100, so point shift from right to left. Okay, so I hope you will understand. Now let us jump to exercise 16b. Few word problems are there, we will check out some word problems. So 16b, express rupees 5 as a percentage of rupees 25. Means I have 25 rupees. Okay, out of 25, suppose rupees 5 I have spent in some buying some chocolates and all. So out of 25, if I have spent rupees 5, so what is the percentage of my money which I have spent? This is the question. I hope you are understanding this question. Out of 25 rupees, if I have spent rupees 5 on buying chocolate or ice creams, or now you'll say how ice cream comes in 5 rupees. So in maths it comes, okay, just assume. So out of 25, if rupees 5 I have spent for candy, let us say, so rupees, so how much amount I have spent in percentage? Okay, I know that I have spent rupees 5, but in percentage, what is the value? That we have to find out. Means out of 24, out of 25, what percentage of amount I have spent? So now in money, in value, I know rupees 5, but you have to find it in percentage. So whatever you will get, it will be for rupees 5. So how to do it? Let us see. Before that, let me tell you that also conversion part is there. Now here rupee, so there is no need of conversion, but you will see 80 paise, here rupees 4. So 80 paise as percentage of rupees 4. So instead of rupees 4, I will take 400 paise. Why I will take 400 paise? Because 400 paise. Why? Because 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So 4 rupee equals to 400 paise. So this here conversion is to be done. That you can do without displaying. Means you can do it orally also. Directly you can do. Okay. So 700 gram is percentage of 2.8 kg. So 2.8, here it is gram, here it is kg. So this is not allowed. Gram and kg is not allowed. So what I'll do is I'll convert kg into grams. Both the units should be similar. Okay, so 2.8 kg. So 1 kg is 1000 gram. So 2.8 kg means 2800 grams. Right? 2 kg means 2000 plus 8.8 means 800 grams. So 2000 plus 800 grams, that is 2800 grams. So this is 2800 grams. And here you can see centimeter, 90 centimeter and 4.5 meter. So for 1 meter equals to 100. So 4.5 meter, what will be 4.5 meter? 450 centimeter. Why? Because 1 meter is 100. So 4 meter is 400. And 0.5 means half of 100, that is 50. So 450 centimeter. I hope you have understood this. 4 meter means 400 centimeter. Okay. Because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 4 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 4 meter equals to 400 centimeter. So 400 centimeter plus this 0.5 means 50 centimeter. 4.5. Okay. So very easy. If you are this much confused, don't confuse this much. Just 4.5 multiplied by 100 you do and you will get answer is 450. Okay. So no tension of other thing. Just multiplied by 100 you will get the answer. Why multiplied by 100? Because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. That's it. It's very easy. Let's see how to solve it. Rupees 5 as a percentage of 25. So rupees 5 upon rupees 25. Why? Out of 25, 5. But I have to display in percentage. So multiplied by 100%. So out of 25 rupees, I have spent 5 rupees multiplied by 100% because I have to find how much percentage of amount I have spent. So rupee gets cancelled because percentage doesn't have any rupee, centimeter and all these units. It has only one unit, that is percentage. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 5 fours are 20%. So what is rupees 5? If I have 25% and if I have spent rupees 5 means I have spent 20% of the amount which I had. Okay. Similarly, you have to solve question number 2. You can see 80 paise as percentage of rupees 4. So 80 out of, so rupees 4 I have converted here 400 paise which I have explained. So out of 400 paise, 80 paise multiplied by 100%. Paise with paise gets cancelled. All the cancellations you can check it out and final answer you get 20%. So how I have done? 100 ones are 100, 100 fours are 400. 4 ones are 4 20s are or 24s are 80. Okay, so that is 20%. Similarly, rest of you can see, take third one homework. I have solved it, but you can take, method is same. Okay, question number 2 is of the same type. Express the first quantity as the percentage of the second. So first quantity as the percentage of second. So but for that units should be similar. So here p is there and here rupees is there. So convert rupee into paise. So 40 paise upon 200 paise. Now you will say from where this 200 paise came? 200 paise came from rupee 2. You know that 1 rupee 1 equals to 100 paise. So 2 rupee equals to 200 paise. So 40p means paise. So 40p upon 200p multiplied by 100. So 100 ones are 100 twos are 2 20s are, pp already got cancelled. So 20 ones are 20%. Okay. So please decrease the speed if I was somewhere very fast. Okay. So I hope you can understand. And second, third is homework. Convert wherever required. So wherever required means let us discuss that also. 500 gram and 6 kg means kg and gram not allowed. So what you will do, just convert kg into gram. So it will become 6000 gram, because see 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 6 kg means 6000 grams. So 500 gram upon 6000 gram multiplied by 100%. Okay, that we have to solve for the. Similarly 42 seconds comma 6 minutes. 6 minutes means here it is seconds, here it is minutes. So minutes means convert it into seconds. So 6 multiplied by 60 will give you 360 seconds. So 42 upon 360 multiplied by 100% means 42 upon 360 multiplied by 100, and then you have to solve further. Okay, this way you have to solve question number 1 and 2, and rest will solve in the next video. Okay, keep studying. Syllabus is already uploaded. So keep studying, take care of yourself, and thank you so much.